If your watch hour is reducing, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually fix that in few minutes. In fact, in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to be showing you that in this particular video. If you have been noticing reduction in your watch hour, maybe today you're seeing like 500 and then the next day you're already seeing like 400, 300, and you're wondering what's going on, what is sucking this watch hour? Because watch hour is supposed to be increasing, right? You know, whenever people watch your video, it's supposed to be like increasing, going up, blowing up, but yours is just like reducing, and you're like, what? Don't worry, guys. But before I actually continue, some people do not really have watch hour problem. They just don't know how to read their YouTube analytics first. Like, this is the first set of people. So once we clarify that, we can now move to the next phase. So some people don't know how to read. Okay, let me on my screen record so that we can actually go to the YouTube studio. Okay, as you can see, my own watch hour is actually showing 6.6k watch hour right now. But some of you, okay, let me click on it first so you guys can actually get to understand what I'm actually saying better. You can see 6.6k, right? So let's click on it. You can see this result is actually result for 28 days only. This is not my full watch hour. So, meaning, if I want to know my full watch hour, all I just need to do, just click on the 365 days, not lifetime, because some of you, your channels is actually over 1 year. We have the people that have channel for 2 years, 3 years, yeah, not lifetime. YouTube only counts watch hour for 365 days. So let me scroll up. You can see my main watch hour is 13,892.5. Imagine me seeing 6.6k. Won't I be like, what is going on? Is this not a reduction, right? Meanwhile, in the real essence, I have 13,892.5. So if you want to know your main watch hour, do not just look at that 28 days. Click on it and come here, click on 365 days to be able to see your main watch hour. So if after you come here and you check your main watch hour, like now that mine is 13,000 plus, imagine there may be like tomorrow I come back here and I check and I'm seeing that it has reduced to like 12,000, 11,000, then that is when I have watch hour problem. Do you understand? But if you come back the next day and you see that it is still the same or just a little bit of an increase, no decrease, then you do not have a watch hour problem. Your watch hour is totally fine. You just don't know how to read the YouTube Studio analytics. You understand? Okay, that being said, another reason for watch hour reduction is if you delete, private or unlist any video. YouTube only counts watch hour that is public. If a video was public and then you later put it on private or unlisted, when you make such video public again, you have lost the previous watch hour and you need to start again. Another reason why you might be seeing a drop in your watch hour could be that the watch hour has actually been long overdue. You know, YouTube actually counts. Okay, I think I just said it. YouTube actually counts watch hour for 365 days. It could be that the videos that actually gave you that watch hour, you understand, all those things, it has been long. It has been over a year. So YouTube will like cancel them. That's why you have to strive. You need to make hay while the sun shines. Sometimes when I come out here to show you guys tips on how you can quickly get your watch hour, blah, 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 like, you know, fast way, quick, like using Restream and all of that to get your watch hour. It's not because, oh, I feel like this is like the best way, you understand, to be able to get your watch hour. It's just because some people really have limited time. Some people have just few days, few weeks, few hours, you understand, to reach 365 days. And then after 365 days, YouTube will like cancel all the watch hour. Imagine someone trying to get 4,000 watch hour and the person has actually gotten like, let's say 3,500 watch hour and it's almost 365 days. Let's say a week to 365 days. What will happen to that person? Like, after 365 days, YouTube will actually clear off all of those watch hour. It's going to start from zero again. Like, you will now start from beginning. It will clear off again. Once it has already been 365 days, it will clear off. It's like starting again. So all of that can actually be causing a reduction in your watch hour. So this one is actually for those people that have actually created their channel like over a year ago. But if you know that you have not created your channel over a year ago and you are still seeing watch hour reduction and you are confused, don't worry, I'll still tell you how to fix it. But then before I tell you how to fix it, let's talk about another category of people that will actually be getting this watch hour issue. Let me end this screen record. Okay, and that's the people that will actually be getting this watch hour issue. That is what is it called? There's a word for it. Invalid clicks. Yes, that's the word I'm trying to remember. Invalid clicks. Sometimes YouTube actually counts invalid views. And let me tell you an example of an invalid view. Imagine you as a creator. Sometimes it might not even be coming from you. It might be coming from your audience, those that actually watch your video. Imagine you now as a creator, especially those in the educational niche, or you're teaching something, for example, and maybe somebody's watching your video over and over again. Like, let's say the person watched for the first time and they did not understand. Like, let's say you were teaching something. Maybe like, let me use a video like, let's say I made a video on how to boil rice. And then I watch it for the first time. Maybe you yourself, you can even watch it for the first time and you watch it again. You watch it again. That same day, with that same device, you watch it like over 10 times. Maybe because you really like the video, you like the way you edited it, or maybe you just want to just watch it because you actually enjoy it. It's your video, right? And you are enjoying the video. If you watch it like 10 times, YouTube will count the watch hour at first, but in the long run, YouTube will now reduce the watch hour. Because YouTube will be like, oh, this view is actually coming from the same person, the same viewer, over and over and over again, within short period of time, within the same day. But if you watch it, let's say let's say that video is like a 10 minutes long video. Let's say I watch it today once or twice. Then I wait till tomorrow to watch it again. Then I wait till next tomorrow, watch it again. Then the day after, it will be counted. YouTube will not count it as invalid clicks. But it is when you're watching it over and over and over and over and over. If you watch it like once or twice, it will still be counted. The watch hour, it will like, that is not an invalid clicks. But it's when you're now watching it over and over. Sometimes it might not even be you. It might be your audience. Maybe they actually enjoy. Maybe you do a tutorial video right now and they are enjoying, and maybe they want to follow the step. They might watch it the first time and not get it. So they want to watch it again to know, you understand? They want to watch it again, watch it again, watch it again. The fact that they are watching it again with their same device within the same day, unless if it's on like different days, maybe they watch it twice different day. But as long as it is that same day, you might see the watch hour at first, because at first YouTube will give you that watch hour. You might see the watch hour at first and you might be happy. Oh wow, I've gotten 100 watch hour today. Yeah, you just be jubilating, be jumping. Yeah. Only for you to wake up the next day or 2 days after and you see that the 100 watch hour has reduced to like 50 watch hour or 40 watch hour. It's because YouTube actually check and remove all those invalid clicks. That's why you notice that on your end tab, it is 5 days late. Whatever watch hour you get, it is 5 days late. They should show as of 5 days behind. You understand? So let's say today is 10 now. The end session is going to be showing you as of 5th. You understand? So 5 days behind, because the algorithm needs to process and check the watch hour to confirm that it's not actually invalid clicks that's actually giving you the watch hour. I hope that is actually clarified. Okay, so if you have checked your YouTube studio and you see that you are actually doing everything right, but your watch hour is still reducing, or your channel is not even up to 1 year, like that is not the case for you. It's not up to 1 year, yet your watch hour is reducing. And you know by yourself that you are not playing your video repetitively. You're not like spamming yourself, but you are not sure if maybe your viewers, if they're actually doing that on your behalf, and you don't know what exactly is wrong. The best bet, which you can actually fix this within 5 minutes or less than that, is to reach over to the YouTube customer support service. Yes, that's if you reach out to the YouTube. Okay, I think, should I do a screen record? Okay, no, I don't think it's going to make this video to be too long. I think we should all know how to get to the YouTube customer support. Like, if you just check your YouTube studio, you will definitely see the YouTube customer support. Yeah, just click on it. You can either email them or chat them. Yeah, just state your problem. Just tell them that you have watch hour reduction issue, and they should help you check your channel to know what is actually wrong and why the reduction is going on and how can you fix it. So wait for their response. They usually respond within 2 minutes or less than that, because whenever I message them, in fact, less than 1 minute, they're already there to answer me. So that's how fast they can be. So just reach out to them, let them know that you're having watch hour issues, and they will definitely tell you what is actually causing that watch hour. What you don't know, what you can see, them, they can actually see everything. So they can tell you what is causing and tell you how to fix it. Do you understand? Yeah, so I hope you guys actually learned 1 or 2 in this particular video. I think I would have loved to show you that process of chatting up the customer service, but it's gonna be making the video too long, right? Yeah. So, okay, by the way, guys, I think I should mention this. My coaching is still on. So in case if you're interested, you want to get your channel monetized, you want to grow your channel, you know, you want, like you see YouTube as a long-term thing, then please do well to, you know, reach me out on my email, guys. Is it on my email? In my email, through my email. I don't know, guys, but you guys actually you understand. This is my email displaying. Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting to receive a message from you guys or a mail from you guys. And if you find value, please do what to hit on the like button, do what to subscribe, do what to share. Because some people have actually been this particular topic, and some people have actually been saying that I've been seeing my watch hour, it has been reducing. I don't know how to fix it. I hope I've actually come to help you guys out. All right. See you again in our next video. Bye, guys.